Hi, my name is Dr. Georgios Arseniou, and I'm an assistant professor and extension specialist of Urban Forestry at Auburn University and the Alabama Cooperative Extension System. In this video, we're going to talk about the iTree software. Did you know trees in your neighborhood do more than just look beautiful? They actually clean the air, they cool our streets, they save energy, and they even increase property values. But how do we actually measure those benefits? That's where iTree comes in. iTree is a sophisticated USDA Forest Service supported software suite developed for analyzing urban forests and evaluating their environmental benefits. Available for free at the itreestools.org, iTree provides valuable tools that help strengthen urban forest management and advocacy by assessing tree structure and the ecological services offered by urban trees. Over the years, iTree has been widely used around the world by officials, nonprofits, consultants, volunteers, and students to evaluate everything from individual trees to neighborhoods, parks, cities, and even entire states. The software generates key data on ecosystem services, offering essential insights to support policy development and urban forest planning at various scales. Some iTree tools specifically assist with making informed decisions about tree selection and planting, for example, the iTree planting and the iTree species. These tools are valuable for predicting the long-term environmental benefits of newly planted trees, such as carbon sequestration, air purification, stormwater management, and energy savings. They are useful for a wide range of users, including homeowners, municipalities, and community organizations, helping them strategically plan tree planting efforts based on projected environmental outcomes. Particularly, iTree Species is a simple, user-friendly tool that recommends suitable tree species based on desired benefits and geographic location. Users input their region, preferred environmental outcomes, local hardness zone, and the target mature height of the tree. The tool generates a list of suggested species, but it is important for users to review that list carefully, as some suggested trees may not be ideal for specific local conditions, and suitable species may occasionally be left out.